I turn now to the title, 9/11, an American Empire. I will introduce this topic by quoting the endorsement by Paul Craig Roberts, who wrote, "This is the most important book of our time. Distinguished national and international scientists and scholars present massive evidence that the 9/11 Commission report is a hoax and that the 9/11 terrorist attack has been manipulated to serve a hegemonic agenda in the Middle East." You might be tempted to regard Roberts' statement that this is the most important book of our time as hyperbole. But let's think about this. If our position that 9/11 was an inside job is true, this means that the claim that America was attacked by Arab Muslims is a lie. It means that the so-called war on terror is a hoax because the 9/11 terrorists were within our own government. It means that not only the attack on Iraq, but also the attack on Afghanistan was completely devoid of justification. It means, therefore, that all the people in those two countries who have died as a result of our invasions, well over 100,000 people, have been killed on the basis of a lie. It means that the Bush-Cheney administration, which regularly describes the rulers of other countries as evil, is itself guilty of treason, mass murder of its own citizens, and mass murder of Afghanis and Iraqis.